Hey everyone, I'm DeFi Dad. We're here with the DeFi podcast at ETHDenver, and I'm joined here at the zkSync era booth by Alex, who is the business development lead at SushiSwap. How are zkRollups impacting the development of future SushiSwap products?
Howdy everyone, Alex here. I'm really excited to be really involved in the ZK space. We think that ZK and what zero knowledge allows our users to have access to is the privacy, and it gives a lot more self-sovereignty around your finances and your ability to really have control over your financial self and your financial future. So we're really excited to be building with zkSync for the next few months to really build that into our DeFi offering.
I'm also joined here by David, who is the CIO of Sushi. David, what is Sushi doing to allow for the tokenomics of Sushi to be more sustainable?
We've got a proposal in place. We're working on redesigning our tokenomics, the way our tokens work, the way our incentives and our rewards work, the way that we interact with our LPs and incentivize volume and TVL is all changing to be more long-term. We're tired of the industry where it's short focus, where we're talking about making the profits in the next year and then who cares what happens 3 years down the road. We want a system that will last for generations, for the longevity of the blockchain. So part of the way we're doing that is by lowering emissions and possibly getting into a deflationary state. We're doing mechanisms like burns, so we're doing buybacks and burns with the fees. We're also doing token recycling, which is where we buy those coins, and instead of using emissions to incentivize LPers, we use those buyback recycle tokens.
So Sushi is one of the few OG DeFi protocols. I am curious what's next on the Sushi roadmap.
We've been really very bullish on going multi-chain and going towards aggregation, and really we want to be the nexus point between all of the different tokens, all of the different communities, and all of the different areas and ecosystems in DeFi that exist. So if you have assets on one chain, you can then bring that over and bridge and swap to another asset within Sushi. We're also building in cross-chain aggregation, so to give our users the best rates. And we also have Sushi Studios coming out soon as well. So we'll be incubating a whole bunch of new projects. We have a perps DEX coming on in a few months as well. So a lot of really interesting kind of changes that really kind of helped mature Sushi as a company and as a DeFi project.